Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
How is everyone doing?
Ma'am, good.
Good.
Ma'am, good.
Okay.
Ma'am, how are you?
I am also good. Okay. I think history chapter is over. Question answer discussion is also over.
No, ma'am, we have to start question number 3.
We have to start question number 3. Okay, fine. Fine. You find out the answer, take 2 minutes so that I can take the attendance as well, right? Children, we are doing question answers. And once I think only two questions are left. Once we are done with that, we will continue with the we'll start the new chapter of geography. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. I am giving you time so that you can find the answers, because yesterday you people were taking time in chalking out the answers. So today you take 2 minutes beforehand, 5 minutes beforehand. By that time, I'll take the attendance, right?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Beta. This is 9th A, right? Okay, 9th A. Abhiraj.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Okay, Aditya Rao. Adnan Khan, not there. Akhilesh Patel, not there. Alek Singh, not there. Anushka Gupta.
Present, ma'am.
Let me see how many have put fake attendance. Okay. Aryan Gupta, are you there?
Present, ma'am. Yes.
Aryan Patel. Ayush Bhardwaj. Bhavya Dikshit.
Present, ma'am.
Bhavya, you are not regular to the classes. Why is it so? Vilma.
Ma'am,
Yes,
actually, I was out of station.
Okay. Krishna is not there. Kumar Parth. Kushagra Singh.
Present,
Gautam.
ma'am.
Okay. Kushagra Singh Gautam is present.
Yes, ma'am.
Not there. Azhan Mirza is not there. Then Shoaib Warsi is not there. Agaz is not there. Muskan Gangwar, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. I'm here.
Okay. Then Nishchal Raj, Noor, Om Patel, Priyanshi. Who is this? Om Patel or Nishchal?
Ma'am,
Nishchal. Okay.
Nischal.
Priyanshi is not there. Rehan Ali not there. Rishabh.
Present, ma'am.
Rishabh. Acha, Rehan Ali is present.
Yes, ma'am.
You are not seen often in the class. एक हफ्ते में एक ही दिन अटेंड करते हैं बेटा आप क्लास? रेहान? हाँ,
Yes, ma'am.
ऐसा क्यों बच्चे? Okay, ऋषभ, साहिल खान, संस्कृति चौहान, श्रेयांश, सिद्धांत. Sanskriti is present. Okay. Siddhant Gangwar, not there. Tanishka, not there. Sumit Yadav.
present, ma'am.
Okay, Tanishka is there in the class. Sumit is not there. Rashi Parmar,
Present, ma'am.
Uma,
Present, ma'am.
Vajshika,
Present, ma'am.
and Yash Raj.
Present, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes. Do we have
no,
Sumit?
my name was not taken.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, my name was not taken.
Kushagr. No, I took your name, but no response was there.
No, ma'am, you took Kushal Singh Gautam's name, but not mine.
Okay, fine. Kushagr Gautam is
And
also.
mine also.
Yes, Aditya, I have marked you present.
Good morning, ma'am. Sorry for being late.
It's fine. It's okay. Yash Raj Raghuvanshi is there in the class.
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा, चलिए, बहुत अच्छी बात है. Shall we start now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Sumit, if you could change the DP that you have put on the profile. Sumit Yadav.
Ma'am, he left the meeting.
Okay. Abhiraj, may I know the status of your work?
Yes, ma'am.
May I know the status of your work?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, like what kind? Ma'am?
Status means how much is.
No, ma'am, what? Ma'am,
Yes.
written?
Of course,
Okay.
written what I'm talking about.
Ma'am, it's incomplete, ma'am.
It's incomplete.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, I'm complete. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. It is all complete or it is incomplete?
No, ma'am, it's incomplete.
Okay. And what about Bhavya?
What, ma'am, in history or in geography?
History, geography, both, beta.
Ma'am, in history, I have completed chapter 1 and chapter 4 is still incomplete. And in geography, ma'am, let me see.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, is it compulsory to complete chapter 4 also?
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, my history work and geography work is complete total.
Ma'am, in geography, my chapter 1 is also complete.
Okay, what about chapter 2?
Oh, ma'am, that's left.
You need to, when you are submitting your notebook, make sure that both the chapters are complete. Because second chapter was done 1 month back. Okay?
Okay, ma'am, I'll complete it.
Fine. So let us do one thing. When we don't have to do this question answer in the notebook right now. So let us start with the geography chapter 3, right? Drainage.
Ma'am, but still,
we can know the answer.
Okay, chalo, ठीक है. If you really insist on this, can you read out the question for me?
Am I?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Between 1880 and 1920, forest cover in the Indian subcontinent declined by 9.7 million hectares from 108.6 million hectares to 98.9 million hectares. Discuss the role of the following factor in this decline. First, railway. Second, shipbuilding. Third, agriculture expansion. Fourth, commercial farming. Fifth, tea and coffee plantation. Sixth, advices and other peasants users. Advices and other peasants users.
Okay. Can we have any one of you answering this question one by one?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Parth.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, on page number, yes, ma'am, on page number 80, ma'am, second paragraph, the spread of railways from 1850s created a new demand. Then, ma'am, third line, ma'am, yes, ma'am. To run locomotive, wood was needed as fuel, and to lay railway line sleepers were essential to hold the tracks together. Each mile of railway track required between 1760 and 2000 sleepers. From 1860, the railway network expanded rapidly. By 1890, about 25,500 kilometers of tracks had been laid. In 1946, the length of the tracks had increased to cover 7,65,000 kilometers. And this much only, I think.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I think we should write from the 1860s till these contractors began cutting trees indiscriminately. Ma'am, in between some of the lines I've left.
We don't have to write all the things.
Yes,
Right?
ma'am, that is
What
why
you
I'm
are saying.
saying
No,
the third paragraph.
I'll tell you which all lines you have to write and which all you don't have to write. Like when we are writing about the railways, we can write that from this. The spread of railways, railways were essential for colonial, this is, I am reading from page number 80, second paragraph, second line. Railways were essential for colonial trade and for the movement of imperial troops. To run locomotives, wood was needed as fuel, and to lay railway lines, sleepers were essential to hold the tracks together. नहीं अच्छा इसको छोड़ दो, हम रेलवेज की बात कर रहे हैं ना यहाँ पे, रेलवेज की डेवलपमेंट की, ठीक है. Up till sleepers we have to write. Right? Am I clear?
Okay.
Then,
Yes, ma'am.
then we have, I think, agriculture.
Ma'am, then we have shipbuilding.
We have shipbuilding.
Shipbuilding.
Shipbuilding. So for shipbuilding, you will write, by the early 19th century, oak forests in England were disappearing. This created a problem of timber supply for the Royal Navy. So by the 1820s, search parties were sent to export the forest resources of India. Within a decade, trees were being felled on a massive scale and vast quantities of timber were being exported from India. Same page, first paragraph. Few lines of the top paragraph, few top lines of the paragraph and few last lines of the paragraph. Right? Have you all marked?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Next.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, after this we'll do like chapter 3 drainage of geography, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Then what do we have next? Beta.
Ma'am, agriculture expansion.
We have agriculture expansion. Very good. Now, for this agricultural expansion, you may come on page number 79. The British, sorry, in the early 19th century, the colonial state thought that forests were unproductive. They were considered to be wilderness that had to be brought under cultivation. Page 79, second paragraph. So
Yes,
that
ma'am.
the land could yield agricultural products and revenue and enhance the income of the state. Right?
Okay,
Right.
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Marked?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then what do we have next? Commercial forestry we have then.
Non-commercial farming. Yes, ma'am.
Commercial farming. Then page 78, last paragraph, last line. The British directly encouraged the production of commercial crops like jute, sugar, wheat, and cotton. The demand for these crops increased in 19th century. Europe, where food grains were needed to feed the growing urban population and raw materials were required for industrial production. This much you will write for commercial forestry, right?
Ma'am, we've already written about the commercial forestry, so can we skip this question?
Nahi, beta. Write it.
Okay, ma'am.
Then
Ma'am, it is tea and coffee plantation.
Then come to this plantation paragraph on page number 82. Large areas of natural forests were cleared to make way for tea, coffee, and rubber plantations to meet Europe's growing need for these commodities. The colonial government took over the forests and gave vast areas to European planters at cheap rates. These areas were enclosed and cleared of forest and planted with tea or coffee.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Then what is left?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Adivasis and other peasants.
Huh?
Thank you, sir.
What?
Ma'am, Adivasis and other peasant users.
ठीक है, तो आदिवासीज एंड अदर पीजेंट यूजर्स के लिए आप आ जाओ यहाँ पे ऑन पेज नंबर, जस्ट अ सेकेंड. Come to page number where who could hunt is written. Wait. हाँ जी.
Ma'am, can you again repeat the page number?
I am telling you, wait. Come to page 88.
Yes, ma'am.
आदिवासी एंड अदर पीजेंट यूजर्स. इसमें चाहो तो आप एक कलेक्टिवली अपनी तरफ से लिख लो कि भाई ये जो आदिवासी कम्युनिटीज थी, दे यूज्ड टू practice shifting cultivation, and because of this shifting cultivation deforestation was done. इतना तो आप लिख सकते हो.
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? Because इसमें ऐसा कुछ नहीं, वो ये पूछ रहा है कि भाई डिफोरेस्टेशन क्यों हुआ between this period by these people also, right? Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
See, when the class started, 23 students were there. Now only 18 are there. They came here only for the sake of putting their attendance. Sumit, Kushagra, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
It's not.
He's there. Okay, fine. This, I think, third answer is over.
Yes, ma'am.
Now coming. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, can you repeat?
What, beta?
Ma'am, that second last tea coffee plantation one.
It is given on page number 82, whole paragraph.
Okay, ma'am.
Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, is there only one worksheet for chapter 1 in geography?
Yes, beta. अभी तक तो हमने एक ही वर्कशीट करी है. हम और भी करेंगे when we will revise. Okay?
And ma'am, that we have to do in copy.
हाँ.
मैम वही वर्कशीट कॉपी में करनी है.
हाँ, वो वर्कशीट कॉपी के लिए दी थी क्योंकि वो हमने आपको इनिशियली फर्स्ट मंथ में ही करा दिया था ना, इसीलिए.
Yes, ma'am. And for ma'am, second chapter?
Second chapter worksheet, I think we have not done. I could not do it with you people. With other class, other section I have done. Right?
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, what we have to do in chapter 2?
What you have to do in chapter 2? Question answers that we have done?
Ma'am, in geography?
Yes, question answers, map work, several things we have done. For chapter 1, there are 6 maps. For chapter 2, there is just 1 map.
Okay, ma'am.
Right? Yes. Hanji. Shall we proceed on?
Yes, ma'am.
Coming to question number 4. Why are forests affected by wars? Anybody for this answer?
Why forests are affected by wars?
Ma'am, page number 95.
Very good,
Ma'am,
Roma.
can I?
Yeah, let Roma tell. Roma?
Okay, ma'am.
Ah.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the first World War and the Second World War had a major impact on the forest. In
Okay,
India,
change the point.
working-
Change the point. After this, change the point. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
The working plans were abandoned at this time, and the forest department cut trees freely to meet the British war needs.
Change the point.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Third point. In Java, just before the Japanese occupied. Yes, Roma.
Yes, ma'am. In Java, just before the Japanese occupied the region, the Dutchies followed a Scotch policy, destroying sawmills and burning huge piles
Of giant tea logs.
logs so that they would not fall into Japanese hands.
Hmm.
The Japanese then exploited the forest recklessly for their own war industries,
Hmm.
forcing forest villagers to cut down forests.
Hmm. Change the point.
Many villages used this opportunity to expand cultivation in the forest.
Hmm.
After the war with ma'am, this line also.
nahi,
After the war.
up till land back.
Yes.
Up till land back. 5 points or 4 points, I believe. I hope all of you have marked.
Ma'am, can you again repeat the points because some of mine are left?
See, whole of the paragraph up till land
Yes,
back,
ma'am.
last third line, in 2 points, 4 points.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है पार्थ?
Okay.
चलिए, shall we start the new chapter, drainage geography?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Fine.
ma'am.
So for that, I need to share the screen. इसको हिंदी किसने कर दिया? Class, can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
See,
Yes, ma'am.
when we say drainage, we are actually talking about the river system of an area, right?
Yes, ma'am.
See, in the figure, in the diagram that is shown on the screen. Can you see this?
No, ma'am.
Can you see this?
No.
No, ma'am.
No? Okay,
No,
wait,
ma'am.
wait a second, wait a second. Let me share it again. Now, can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. See, because this chapter deals with the river system. So I think class 7th, if you remember, we did one chapter in which we read about the course of the river, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now that chapter told us that how from its origin to its mixing up with the larger water body, how the river moves, like from the slopes when it falls down, it like there are basically 2 types of work that is done by the river. One is the erosional work, and erosional work is done in the slopes when it's coming down from the mountains, and the deposition work or the depositional work that is done by the river, it is in the middle and the lower courses. When it brings sufficient sediments and when it becomes tired of carrying those sediments with it, it starts depositing them wherever it gets place, right? Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
The place,
Yes, ma'am.
this is just a recapitulation so that you are not confused what we are talking about. See, fine. See, this is the source. This encircled area that we have, this is the source of the river, means the place from where the river originates, right? When the glaciers they melt, right? Then the river starts flowing. Now, when it starts flowing, see from the mountains, this is a small stream that you can see. Can you see this small stream coming?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This one, right? So this small stream is considered as a tributary because it is a small stream, and when it will mix with the larger water body, then it will be called the confluence, the place where the tributary meets the river, right? Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This is 2, this is 3, right? Now, when the river is moving towards the plains, it moves lethargically. There is no definite place or definite path that it follows. So when it moves lethargically, these meanders are formed. What are formed? Meanders. S structure.
Meander.
S structures that are there, right? Then we have these loops. There are leaves which are called as the loops. Then when these loops, they over a period of time, when they get drifted, when they get separated, right? These oxbow lakes are formed. What are formed? Class, what are formed?
Some oxbow lake.
Very good. Now, see this part. The river has become broader. Fine. Class.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
River becomes
Yes,
broader,
ma'am.
and then it starts, dividing. Then it starts dividing. Channels निकलने लगते हैं इसमें से. उसके बाद देखो ये triangular areas. Can you see these triangular areas?
Yes, ma'am.
Triangular areas हैं, ये डेल्टा होते हैं. क्या होते हैं ये?
हम डेल्टा.
हाँ,
Ma'am, delta.
क्या होते हैं ये? डेल्टाज होते हैं. ठीक है. अब क्या होता है, ये जो आपको माउथ दिख रहा है जहां पे लिखा हुआ, दिस इज द फाइनल स्टेज ऑफ द रिवर व्हेन इट गोज इनटू द लार्जर बॉडी. तो जो सोर्स था वो वहां से रिवर ओरिजिनेट हुई थी, और जो माउथ इज द प्लेस फ्रॉम वेयर इट मिक्सेस विद द लार्जर वाटर बॉडी. जैसे जो अगर हम गंगा की बात करते हैं, गंगा रिवर सिस्टम की बात करते हैं, गंगा रिवर सिस्टम में गंगा रिवर बहुत ही लॉन्ग पाथ को जो है ट्रेवल करके आती है, और फाइनली it goes into Bay of Bengal, right? Class.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Yes.
And it finally goes in Bay of Bengal. I hope this much is clear.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
है ना? चलिए अब आप आते हैं नेक्स्ट स्लाइड पे. Now, the area drained by a single river system is called a drainage basin. ठीक है. रिवर बेसिन या ड्रेनेज बेसिन जो होता है, एक सिंगल रिवर बेसिन से, सिंगल रिवर सिस्टम से जो एरिया ड्रेन होता है उसको हम ड्रेनेज बेसिन बोलते हैं. ठीक है. अब ड्रेनेज बेसिन क्या हुआ देखो, ये आपको दिख रहा है, ये जो रेड सर्कल्स बने, रेड लाइन बनी हुई है, इसकी वॉश बेसिन आपने देखा है. वॉश बेसिन कैसा होता है? नीचे से राउंड होता है.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
हाँ.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ये एग्जैक्टली बेसिन की शेप ही है, और ये दिखा रहा है, कैसे दिखा रहा है कि जो एक रिवर है ये कैसे इस ड्रेनेज बेसिन को ड्रेन कर रही है. ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, चलिए नेक्स्ट पे आप आते हैं हम। कह रहा है कि वर्ल्ड का लार्जेस्ट ड्रेनेज बेसिन जो है वो अमेजोन रिवर में है। किस रिवर में है?
Amazon
मैम
River.
Amazon.
और इंडिया की अगर हम बात करते हैं तो इंडिया में जो गंगा रिवर का जो ड्रेनेज बेसिन है, इट इज कंसिडर्ड टू बी द लार्जेस्ट। ठीक है, राइट क्लास? Now, when we talk of drainage systems, when we talk of the drainage systems in India, we are actually talking about two types of river system. One river system is contributed by the Himalayas and the other is by the peninsular plateau. इतना तो पता ही होगा आप लोगों को अच्छे से क्लास?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए, can you tell me which all rivers originate from Himalayas?
Ma'am, Ganga.
Ma'am Ganga.
And Ganga.
Okay, Ganga. Then
Yamuna.
ओके, यमुना पर हिमालय से नहीं होती है। हाँ, यमुनोत्री ग्लेशियर, ठीक है। गंगा, यमुना और विच रिवर? बेटा देखो, ये जो आपको दिख रही है, ये जो पॉइंट दिख रहा है, एक मिनट रुको।
Ma'am Indus.
अभी हम, हाँ वेरी गुड ऋषभ, ये देखिए।
Ma'am Brahmaputra also.
हाँ, अभी बता रहे हैं। ये जो पॉइंट है, ये देखो ये वाला, ठीक है, ये हिमालयाज हैं। यहाँ से ये इंडस निकल गई, ठीक है, ये इंडस निकल गई यहाँ से आपकी गंगा निकली, ठीक है, और इसके एक और पार्ट हो गए, ये ब्रह्मपुत्रा निकल गई, ठीक है। फिर ब्रह्मपुत्रा तिब्बत से इधर आई, अरुणाचल में सैंगपो रिवर के नाम से। कौन से रिवर के नाम से?
Sangpo.
सैंगपो।
Sangpo.
उसके बाद जब ये अरुणाचल में प्रवेश करती है, तब इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? ब्रह्मपुत्रा। क्या बोलते हैं?
Brahmaputra.
ब्रह्मपुत्रा। उसके बाद ब्रह्मपुत्रा बांग्लादेश जाती है। बांग्लादेश जाने के बाद इट मिक्सेस विद बे ऑफ बंगाल। ये आपका गंगा का पैसेज है। गंगा हिमालय से होते 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 सारे स्टेट्स को क्रॉस करते करते आपका ये वेस्ट बंगाल में जाके सुंदरबन डेल्टास फॉर्म करके फिर ये बे ऑफ बंगाल में अपने आप को ड्रेन करती है। ठीक है, ठीक है।
Yes, ma'am.
ब्रह्मपुत्रा का मैक्सिमम पैसेज जो है वो आपका तिब्बत और चाइना में होता है। उत्तराखंड, नेपाल हिमालय से ओरिजिनेट होके ये नेपाल, ये आपका व्हाट डू यू कॉल, चाइना और तिब्बत से होते हुए ये अरुणाचल प्रदेश में एंटर करती है। सैंगपो नाम से इसको जाना जाता है। जो सबसे लॉन्गेस्ट कोर्स होता है रिवर का, हिमालयन रिवर जो है, व्हेन वी कंपेयर हिमालयन और पेनिनसुलर रिवर सिस्टम को जब हम कंपेयर करते हैं, तो हिमालयन रिवर सिस्टम की जो गंगा रिवर है उसका सबसे लॉन्गेस्ट पैसेज होता है फ्रॉम दिस प्लेस अप टिल बे ऑफ बंगाल। तो ये पूरे रास्ते भर चलते 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 इसकी ट्रिब्यूटरीज, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटरीज, बहुत सारी चीजें हैं। ठीक है, राइट क्लास?
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए, class is going to be over any time, so in the next class tomorrow we will continue from here only, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, sir.